Hi guys, this is Dante with the Drive and Thrive, and in this video I'm going to give you the secrets to Uber Eats success, but here's the thing. It's not going to be easy. You know, I've never tried to say that driving for Uber Eats was going to be easy. What I try to communicate to people is that it's easier than working a 9-to-5 job. It's easier than doing a lot of other things, having a boss looking over your shoulder. It's easy because when you want to take a vacation, you can take a vacation. You don't got to work. You're not going to get fired. See, it's easy in a lot of those respects. But in a lot of other respects, it takes hard work. And for some reason, like, you know, I go on these Facebook forums and everyone's complaining. They say, oh, but Dante, you don't understand, Dante. Where I'm from, there's just too many drivers. It's oversaturated. Can't make no money. Oh, but you don't understand, Dante. Where I'm from, people don't like to eat no more. People don't like to eat no more? It's oversaturated. How do you know it's oversaturated? How do you know? Do you have Uber's figures? Do you know how many drivers are on the road? Do you know how many people quit every day for Uber Eats? You don't know that. You're looking for a reason to quit. You're making excuses. And I get it. Look, we're all entitled. We're Americans in 2019. I get it. We don't want to go out there and bust our butts and work. But I'm going to give you the secret to success. But before I'm going to give you that, I just want to break this one kind of faulty thought pattern down. This thought pattern that, oh, it's supposed to be easy. That I'm supposed to just sign on the app at home, lay in bed, watch TV, wait for an order to come and go. No, you've been doing it wrong. So look, I'm going to break down everything I know in this video. I'm going to give all the jewels. And I think in future videos, I'm going to go in depth, jewel by jewel. And I'm going to break things down to give the blueprint for how you can make the most money on Uber Eats. Okay, but step number 1. Don't accept every order that you're offered. But Dante, you don't understand. I already know. In the comments, one person said, but Dante, you don't understand where I'm from. If I don't accept the order that's 20 minutes away, I'm not going to make any money because there's too many drivers on the road. Stop. Just stop. That's not true. There is not one city in the United States of America that doesn't have at least one restaurant, if they're partnered with Uber Eats, that's busy all day. Whether or not that's a McDonald's, whether or not that's a certain plaza that has a bunch of restaurants. But there's one place in your city that's going to be busy all day with Uber Eats. Find that place. Now, I can't do it for you. Because a lot of people, they quit with... They work one day. They say, oh, man, I can't make no money doing that. I quit. This ain't for me. I can't make no money. There's a restaurant in your city that's busy all the time. Go park by there. Wait for orders to come. Go deliver the orders from there. And then go back to that spot. So you can be closest to the restaurant. Find that spot. Find those spots. So several spots that are in your city. And I promise you, you're going to be busy. I promise you. But Dante, you don't understand. People don't like to eat where I'm from. From where I'm from, people don't order from Uber. Stop. Of course they do. People are lazy everywhere in the United States. You know how I know people are lazy? Because if you're making that complaint, you're probably lazy. And there's other people in your city that's lazy too. Oh, people aren't going to like me after this video. Some people might unsubscribe because they're like, oh my God, he's calling me lazy. He doesn't understand. He doesn't know what it's like in Virginia. He's from Seattle. He doesn't know. Stop making excuses. Go out there and make some money. Don't make excuses. Go make money. All right, tip number 2. When are you working? But it's so slow. It's so slow. You're trying to get orders at 3 p.m. on a Monday. It might be slow. People don't eat at that time probably. Not as much. Now, people order from Uber Eats 24 hours a day. But it's going to be busy breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The time when people actually eat. Plan your schedule accordingly. But Dante, I want to work 12 hours a day, Dante. You told me I can make 1,000 hours a week. Yeah, you can. But it's not going to be easy. I never said that. You're going to have to think a little bit. See, because the amount of work that you got to do isn't physical labor. It's mental labor. You're the one that has to figure it out. You got to figure out the hot spots. Now, Uber Eats has made it easier because they have Surge now. And with Surge, it'll tell you where the hot spots are on the map. All you got to do is drive to where the map is red. It's not that complicated. When the map is red, drive to that spot and wait, and you will get orders. And you'll get extra money because it's red. It's not even hard anymore. It's not hard. But Don said, you don't understand. You don't understand. Where I'm from, it's not like that. Okay. Okay. You're making excuses to quit. So, tip number 2. When are you driving? Drive during the busiest times. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Drive at night when you're complaining about it's oversaturated. You want to make up that excuse? Okay, what's the excuse at night? Drive at night. But Dante, I have a main job. Okay, well then drive during lunch. Drive during dinner. But Dante, you don't understand. Listen, stop making excuses and get out there and work. I didn't say that the job was going to be easy. That's not what I said. I said that the job is a good way to make money. For me, it's easier than having a boss. I didn't say it was going to be easy. See, and I'm going to get on a little bit of rant here, but we live in this generation. We want instant gratification. We want instant everything. Look, the reason why there's an Uber Eats to begin with, listen to this for a second. The reason why there's an Uber Eats to begin with is people are so lazy. Not only do they not want to cook, they don't even want to drive to a fast food drive-through and wait to get to McDonald's. They don't even want to do that. They want to sit at home and have McDonald's delivered to them. We live in a lazy culture, a lazy society, and it's creeping into us. It's creeping into everybody. It's like we want work to be easy. We don't even want to work. What we want to do is just have an application that gives us money. That's what we want. I'm going to be real with y'all. We want an application to just give us stuff. We don't want to do nothing. As easy as Uber Eats and Doordash and Postmates is, for all the people in the third world that would kill to make what we make, doing what we do, do me a favor. If you can afford it, travel overseas. Matter of fact, you don't even got to go far. Go to Mexico. See how much taxi cab drivers make in Mexico. See how much they make in Asia, in Hong Kong, and in Thailand or something like that. Go see how they live. How they're just grinding all day long, for penny, for nothing. So, like I said, stop making excuses. So, number 1, don't accept every order. Number 2, work the best time. Number 3, work the best days. Work on the weekends. But I don't want to give up my Sunday. Dante, you don't understand. I work on the weekends. I do this on the week. It's a side gig. You don't understand. Well, if you want to make money, drive on a Sunday. Because Sundays are when for some reason, everybody orders Uber Eats on Sundays. And on Sundays, there's going to be less traffic where you are. You're going to make more money on a Sunday. But you don't understand. I go to church on, you don't get it. You don't understand. I'm not going to drive on a Sunday. You don't get it. Okay. But don't complain that you're not making any money. Don't say that it's impossible to make money on Uber Eats because you don't want to drive on the weekend, because you don't want to give up your partying or whatever you want to do. Stop making excuses. Drive on the weekends. Take Monday and Tuesday off. And work Saturday and Sunday. Stop making excuses. Somebody needs to hear this. So for every person that isn't going to like this message, there's one person out here that needed this. There's one person out here that needed this motivation. That needed to hear this. Get it in your mind. It's not easy. It's a job like every other job, but you can make money from it. You know you can. Stop making excuses. I'm going to share. Look, that's all I'm going to give today. I'm going to make more videos. You do those 3 things, you're going to make money anyway. Do a little research. Take a little time. Think. Work smarter, not harder. But Dante, you don't understand. That doesn't work for me. Okay. If that doesn't work for you, it doesn't work for you. I'm so sorry. Stop making excuses. Go do it. You're going to make money. And thank me. Leave a comment. You know, if you needed this motivation, if you actually liked it because you needed the motivation, you know who you are. You know who you are. Leave a comment and let me know. Because I know a lot of people aren't going to like this. I might lose some subscribers. Somebody out here is going to hate. How dare you? How dare you insult me by calling me lazy? Dante, you don't understand. It is oversaturated in my city. Stop. Get out there and drive and thrive. Get out there. Don't quit. Hustle. Drive and thrive. Make some money. Help your family out. I'm telling you, you can do it. I believe in you. If you're watching this channel, you've been trying to make more money with Ubereats. You want to. Or you're looking for a way to get in to make more money. This is the way. Don't give up. Work harder. Work smarter. Drive and thrive.